It's safe to keep cracking your knuckles? Some people believe it might have long-term side effects, but what is the truth? Meet Dr. Donald Unger, a man who discovered the truth and won the Ig Nobel Prize in medicine. When he was a child, his parents warned him against cracking his knuckles, claiming it was harmful. Since there wasn't much information back then, Dr. Unger decided to test it himself. For 60 years, he cracked the knuckles on his left hand daily, while leaving his right hand untouched. After 6 decades, Dr. Unger went for an X-ray to see if there was any difference between his hands. The results were surprising. There were no differences whatsoever between his left and right hands.